Hey everyone, my name is Rashid Malik, and in this video I'll teach you how to create a WordPress blog. A blog something like this with a beautiful header, the sliding banner, a nice display of blog feed, a sidebar, the footer section, few pages like about me, contact us, and also categories over here. Before we begin this video, please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay, now let's begin building the blog. Okay, I have divided the process of creating WordPress blog in just 8 simple steps. Make sure to follow all the steps in order to create a professional looking blog I have just shown you. So the first step in the process is to set up hosting and domain. If you don't know about the hosting and domain, don't worry, I explain. The hosting provides you a space where you can store your data, for example, the files, the images, the website itself. And the domain is the identity of your blog, or you can say your business. For example, the google.com is the domain, the facebook.com is the domain, and the amazon.com is the domain. In the same way, you also need a domain for your blog, or you can say for your website. Okay, so for the hosting, I would recommend going with the Bluehost because it is one of the best hosting. They have a great support and also very secure and fast. Another thing I would recommend going with the Bluehost is because it is very easy to use as compared to other hosting provider because of its clean and simple interface. If you click on the link I have mentioned in the description, you'll also able to get a free domain with the hosting. So make sure to click on this link and then it will land you on this page. When you are on this page, you will see lots of links over here. What you need to do is just go to hosting. Don't worry about this one, we don't need it, we only need the hosting. So just go here and then just click on shared hosting. Once you land on this page, just scroll down and here you will see 4 different packages. This is for 36 months. I'll make it 12 months so that we could see the pricing for 12 months. Okay, now I would recommend going with the basic and plus plan because these two plans are enough for our blog. So the first plan allows you to create one website and the plus plan allows you to create multiple websites. That means if you want to have another website for your brother, for your sister, or for your mother, or for your friend, you just need to get the domain because you already have the hosting. And once you have the domain, you can just simply connect it with your hosting and you're good to go to create your another website. We're going to go with the basic plan. Just click on select. By the way, I'm using the plus plan. Okay, now here you need to add your domain. You can use your existing domain, but if you don't have the domain, you can search for the new domain. And again, you're going to get it for free. I'll just enter my domain name over here. Make sure just to enter the name of the domain. That's it. You don't have to enter the .com, .net or any other extension. Just enter the domain name and it will automatically search it for you. Now click on next. Okay, perfect. You can see the domain is available. Okay, now enter your all information here, first name, last name, your country, and your all the other basic information. Again, just make sure you're on the 12 months plan, but yes, if you want to go with the 36 months, you can definitely go with it. It will also give you a nice discount. Okay, now I'll just scroll down. Now it will also ask you for some extra packages and we really don't need any of it. Just uncheck all of these, turn it off, and then this one and this one. Okay, now you're going to get it for just 71.40. So now just enter your payment information, click on agree and click submit. Okay, as soon as you click on submit, you'll see the login information for your hosting and all the other detail related to your hosting. Okay, once you receive all the information, just go back to your hosting, bluehost.com. Again, you're going to get the login information through your email. Now click on login. Okay, now here enter your domain name and the password. I'll just click on login. Okay, perfect. Now we have got our hosting and domain. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, we have this step completed, and now let's see what's the next step. So next step is to install the WordPress and set up it. Now let's go back to Bluehost, and here just click on My Sites, and now click on Create Site. Okay, now it will give you two options. Make sure to go with the first one. Click on Get Started. Okay, now here enter your site name and the site tagline. I'll just add a random text over here. Okay, now just click on this Advanced tab. Okay, here you need to enter your email, your username, and the password. Okay, perfect. Once you have filled all this information, just click on Next. Okay, now here you need to select your domain. As I'm using the plus plan, that's why I'm using lots of domain on my single hosting. That is why I have to select the domain. But if you have just bought your hosting, you will only be able to see your domain. And if you add more domains, you will be able to see your other domains too to install the WordPress. So I'll select my domain here. So this is the domain we're going to use to create our blog. Okay, now these are the plugins that are going to be installed by default, and we don't really need any of it. Just uncheck it, and now click Next. It will take few minutes and install the WordPress on your website. Okay, perfect. Now we have our WordPress installed. Just simply go to your website, and now in order to log into your website, you can just simply click on admin login, and if you are not seeing this button over here, just simply type //wp admin and then hit enter. It will redirect you towards the login page. Okay, now here enter your username and the password. Click on login. Okay, now we are in the WordPress dashboard. This was the one way of getting logged into your WordPress dashboard. Another way is to just simply click on login to WordPress, and it will automatically make you log in to your WordPress dashboard. Both of these are the different ways to access the WordPress dashboard. Okay, I'll just close the Bluehost. Okay, we have this step also completed. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, now the next step is to add the themes and necessary plugins on our WordPress website. So for the theme, I would recommend going with the GoCherry blog. There are lots of other themes available but for the blog, this theme is perfect theme because it's very lightweight, and also it has a very beautiful design and very well optimized for the SEO. Okay, now let's just go to appearance here, click on themes. Okay, now click on WordPress.org themes. Okay, perfect. Now in here, just search for the theme. I have mentioned the name over here, GoCherry blog. Just search here. Okay, now this is the theme we're going to use. Just click on install and activate. Okay, perfect. Now it is asking you to install some recommended plugins, and before we install any plugins, let's just go to plugins here and delete any unwanted plugins. We don't need any of these plugins. Just deactivate. You can now select all again and click delete. Okay, and now the plugins are deleted. Now let's install the recommended plugin from the theme. Just click on begin installing plugin. Now click on install. Now just return to required plugin installer. Now just click on activate. Okay, we also need another plugin, and that is contact form 7. Just click on plugins, add new. Now if you don't know about the plugins, the plugins or the extension in the WordPress that will make your website more functional, or you can say it will help you to enhance the functionality of the website. So that's why we use plugins, or you can say add-ons, for our website. Now just search for the plugin contact form 7. Okay, now this is the plugin we need. Just click on install now and activate. Okay, perfect. Now we have two plugins installed, the contact form 7 and the plugin from the theme. Now our this step is also completed. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, we have this step completed. Now the next step is to creating pages and the menu. The menu means the navigation. I'll show you in a minute what is it and how it works. Let's go back to our website. Okay, now let's go to the pages, click on all pages. So by default we have these two pages created. I just select all of these and click on move to trash. Now click on apply. Now just go to trash and select them again and delete them permanently, because we want to start fresh. That's why we don't need any sort of a dummy pages on our website. Now you can see we don't have any pages. Okay, before we add the page, let me show you the website, how it is looking. Let me just visit the website and show it to you. Now this is our website. You can see this is the default dummy blog. We have this title of the website. This place is for the navigation, and this is the sidebar, this is the body. Don't worry about the design yet because we're going to make it look more beautiful. Okay, now let's go back and add the page on our website. Let's click on add new and add the page like about me, because we don't need the home page as this is blog, and by default the WordPress has the functionality to make the blog page as the home page. So we don't actually need the home page, but we will definitely have the home page. Okay, now let's just add the page title here. Okay, now under it you can add the description of the about you or the content about you on your page. For now I'm just gonna be adding the dummy content. I'll just copy these two paragraphs and paste it in the page. And somehow if you want to add the image here, just enter, click on this plus icon, add block, and now here you can see you can add the paragraph, image, gallery, list, and if you click on browse all, you can see a huge list of elements you can add on your website. But for now we're going to be just adding the image. Just search for the image here. Now click on upload. I'll just go to the documents and the content and logos, and here I'll just add the about me image. Okay, now we have the image uploaded. Now just go to page over here. You can see we are in the blog, and if you go to the page here, now we're going to be adding the featured image. Let's go to the media library because we already have uploaded the image. Just click on set featured image. Okay, perfect. Now we have our about me page created. Now just click on publish. Now click on view page in order to see how our page is looking. Okay, perfect. This is our about me page. Let's add another page, that is contact us page. Just go to the pages, click on add new. Now I'll add a page, contact us. Okay, now just click on publish. Sorry, before publishing we need to add the content. I'll just add the a few lines of paragraphs here. Perfect. Now we need to add the contact form here. I'll just click on plus button here and search for the contact form. You can see we have this, we installed this plugin and now it is appearing here. If you don't install it, it will not appear here. Click on contact form 7, and now contact form 7 form 1, it will automatically select if you just have the one form. Now just click on publish or update. Now just click on view page and see how our page is looking like. Okay, this form is not appearing here. What we need to do is just go to the dashboard of the website. Now here just go to contact and contact forms. Okay, this is the form we need to use on our website. Just copy this code here. And one thing more, before you make your website live, make sure to configure this form as well. For example, just click on edit, and in here just click on mail, and two. In the two field, just add your email. Now when someone submits this form, you will receive the email automatically from your website. Make sure to add your email over here. But if your admin email is the email you want to use to receive the queries, so you can keep it as it is. Once you have made changes, make sure to click on save. I'll just copy this short code. I'll just go back to the page here and I'll just remove this one. I don't know why it's not working. It should work. I'll just paste the code over here. And now I just click on update again and click on view page in order to see if the form is working. Okay, now you can see our form is working perfectly fine. You can also add many more fields into it. I'll create another video, a dedicated video, where I'll be showing you how to customize the contact form 7 and add as many fields as you want on your form. Okay, we have this contact page also created. Now let's go back to WordPress dashboard. Let me just close all these tabs here. Let's go back to WP admin. So this is the dashboard. This is the URL in order to access the dashboard. Okay, now we have the pages created. Now it's time to create the categories. The categories means, like, if you read blogs, you will see they categorize their post in different categories. For example, they may have a category for the lifestyle, they may have a category for the fashion, for food, for technology. These different types of categories are used in order to create the blog. We're also going to create the category and then we will categorize our post in different categories. Don't worry if you are confused here. Once we are adding the post, you will understand it better. For now, I'll just add the categories here. Just go to post and click on categories. By default, we have the uncategorized and it can't be deleted. I'm gonna be adding 3 categories here. Okay, I have just created the fashion, lifestyle, and sorry, there's a mistake in the travel category. Let me just edit it. TRAVEL. Now we update it. Let me just go back to categories here. Okay, now you can see we have 3 different categories: the fashion, lifestyle, and travel. Of course, you can have a different one. You may have a different categories, but in order to create this blog, I'm just creating them as an example. Now let's go back to the dashboard again. Okay, now let's just simply visit your website. Let's go on visit website. Okay, now from here just click on customize, because now we're going to create the navigation menu over here. Let's click on customize. Okay, now go to menu over here. You can see, just click on menu, just click on create new. I'll just name it as main. You can name it anything you want. Now make it primary, because the menu that is going to appear here is going to be the primary one. Now just click on primary here, click next. Okay, now click on add items. Now from here you can see we have this home page already created. Just click on add and then click on about me. Okay, now we have these 2 pages, and then we will add the categories, the fashion, lifestyle, travel, and then we will add the contact us page, because always the contact us page is at the end of the menu. Okay, perfect. Now you can see we have this navigation appearing here. Once you have this done, just go back over here. You can see we have this appearing here, and now click on publish. Now let me just click on this cross icon here to see if it is live. Okay, perfect. Now you can see we have this navigation appearing on the website. We have this step also completed. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, we have created the pages and menu. Okay, now the next step is to add the logo and also the title of our website. Now let's go back to the website again and now click on customize. Now in here just click on site header, click on site logo. Now just click on select logo, upload files, select files. So this is our logo. Click on select. Just keep cropping here. Okay, now you can see we have this our logo here. Now we have another option if you want to display your like the default title on the website, but we already have the logo, so we don't need any of these. I just uncheck this one. Now let's go back and add this site fav icon. Just click on site fav icon, click on select icon, upload file, select file. Okay, this is a fav icon. Click on select, skip cropping again. Okay, now you can see we have our fav icon here. Okay, now let's go back and add the site title. Just go to site logo here. Now you can see this is site title and this is tagline. It is really important to have the site title and the tagline. So this is our site title. Our site title is already ZP Learning. Now I'll add the tagline here. Okay, now this is our tagline. The tagline means like what you're going to do on your blog. Is it a travel blog? Is it a blog related to business or anything else? You can add your tagline here. It is also some sort of a business identity, so the tagline is also really important. Once you do that, just go back. Now just click on publish, click on cross icon here. So now you can see this is our title, our site title, and also the tagline is appearing on the website. So we have this step also completed, and now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, the next step is to add the content. Okay, now the content in here means adding blog posts on our website. Now in order to add the blogs on our website, let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Now go to all posts here. Okay, by default we have this post. Just select this one, click on move to trash, apply. Now let's go to trash here and delete permanently. Okay, perfect. Now you can see we don't have any post here. Now just click on add new. Okay, now here you can add the title of your post. I'll just go here, can copy title, just paste the title here. Okay, now add the content of that specific post. I'll just paste the dummy content here. Now again, if you want to add images or anything on your website, you just need to hit enter, click on this plus icon, search for the image, upload image. Now this is related to travel, so I'll be just adding the travel image here. Okay, now you can see we have the image as well. Okay, now you can see this is blog and this is post. In the pages it was page. Just click on post. Now let's go scroll it and click on set featured image. In the media library, I'll just add this image, click on set featured image. Now this is the featured image. Don't worry about this featured image and what it is. I'll show you in next few minutes. So now let's talk about the categories. So this post is about the travel category, so I'll just select the travel. If you want to add a new category, you can definitely add it from here, or the way I have shown you already. And if you want to add the same post into different categories, you can definitely do that as well. For example, I'll just select the travel and lifestyle category here and hit publish here, because we have everything ready. We have the title, text, image, and also featured image. We also have selected the categories here. Now just click on publish, click on publish again. Okay, we have our post published. Now let's go back to our website. I'll just remove all of this one and just simply visit our website. Now you can see, so this image is the featured image. You can see it's not displaying the whole post. This is just the image and a few lines of the content. When someone clicks on continue reading, they will be able to read the whole post. And now if we talk about the categories, we have categorize this post in the lifestyle and travel category. I'll just click on travel. Now you can see we have this category in the travel page, and if I just click on the lifestyle, you will also see the same category here. But if I click on this fashion, you don't see it because I have just inserted this post only in lifestyle and travel. Now I think the concept of the categories might be cleared. But if you are still confused, you can definitely leave a comment in the comment box and I'll try my best to respond each and every one. Okay, now let's go back to WordPress dashboard again. Now I'm going to be adding all the other posts. Let me just stop this video and then get back to you once I have uploaded all the blog posts on the website. Okay, now you can see I have uploaded almost 9 posts on the website in 3 different categories. Now let's just visit the website, click on visit website, and now you can see we have all the posts here, and now our website is getting into shape. Okay, now we have this step also completed. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Adding content is done. Okay, now the next step is the customization. So that means making the website look more professional and more appealing to the visitor. Now let's just go back to the website. Okay, now click on customize. Okay, now the first option is the site typography. Just click on this one. And now if you want to change the font of your website, just click on this one. We have limited options for the font because we are using the free theme, and I think all of these fonts are really great, and once you start making money with your blog, you can definitely upgrade the theme with the premium one. But for now we can use only these options. So the Poppins is the font I like the most. I just click on this Poppins here. You will see all the fonts are now changed. Now let's go back, and in here the other option is the site banner. So the banner means once we are on the website, for example, if I just go to the website again, so this is the banner I'm talking about. I just click on customize again. Okay, again let me just change the font here to Poppins. So I have already shown you the banner. Let me just go to the site banner. So if you want to hide this banner, you can just turn it off, and if you want to show the banner, just turn it on. And also you can let me just click on display in front page. That's why it's not appearing over here. Once we load the page, it will definitely start showing over here. So you can also select the category for that specific banner. For example, if you just want to show the fashion category post in the banner, you can definitely select that category. You can see we have all these options here, and it will only show the post related to that specific category. You can also add the number of posts you want to show. Okay, now let's go back here and let's see. So this is the site banner. Just click on this one. So for now, if I just scroll the page, you will see that this sidebar is sticky, moving with the when I scroll the page. But if you turn it off, and now if you scroll it, you will see now it's not sticky. It just moves up when we move down. So if you want to make it sticky or just keep it as it is, it's all up to you. I'll just make it sticky because it looks more professional. Okay, now we have this site footer here. So you can also use the logo on the footer if you want to. What you need to do is just click on select file and upload the light version of your logo, because the black one is not going to appear on the black background. And also you can add your own copyright text here. I'll just write this one. Now you can see this one is not being removed, because again we're using the free theme. That's why they're not removing this one. I think we are already getting a great design, so there's no need to worry about this one. You can definitely again upgrade to the premium one once you start making money, or you can do that whenever you want. Okay, now let's go back. Social links. The social links means these links. Just click on social links here. You can also add the links to your social profile. Just copy the link of your social profile and then paste it here. And when someone clicks on these social links, they will automatically be redirected toward your social account. Now let's go back again. Now this option, just click on this one. So this is about these lines. For example, if I just decrease it to 20, you will see a difference over here. Now you can see the number of words is also decreased. I'll just keep it as 34. I think 34 is great. Okay, perfect. Now we have this 34 number over here. Now let's just go back again. Now this is site background. If you want to change the background of your website to any color you want, you can definitely do that too. Okay, now the main thing that is widgets. Just click on this one. And now we have different options to add widgets. We have the options to add widgets to the sidebar. We have option to add widgets to this canvas over here, and also we have the option to add widgets in the body. For example, we can see we can add in the sidebar, canvas sidebar, this one, and the top widget, the widget in the at the top of the body, and the bottom widget area, the widget at the bottom of the body. So for now I'm going to be adding the, for example, if you are running ads or want to have some affiliate links on your website or banners, you can definitely utilize the top widget area and the bottom widget area in order to add the links, or you can say images of your affiliate products on your website. Also, if you are using AdSense, you can definitely utilize these two options in order to add the ads on the front page of your website. You can also display them at the sidebar, in the canvas, and also in the footer. Let me just add few options in here just to make the website look more professional. Let's just go to the sidebar here. We have this search one, we'll just keep it as it is. We have this one, we don't need this one because we have another cool options we're going to be adding. And also I remove this comment option. Now click on add widget. So the first option I'm going to add is the about section. So just to make the website look more professional, just click on GB author widget, and now in here just add any title. For example, I'll just add hi there. And now select the page, as our about us page is in the about me page, so I'll just select the about me page. Now it will automatically fetch the image from the about me and display it here. You can see how beautiful it is. And also we have the text that is being fetched directly from the about me page. So I'll also add the button just so that when someone wants to read more about us, they could be redirected toward the about page. I'll just add it as a read more. Okay, now you can see we have this button read more as well. Now just click on done. Okay, now I'll add another post, and that is recent post. Just click on add widget and click on GB post widgets. Okay, now it will ask you to select the layout. This is layout 1. If you select the layout 2, it will display in a different way, like the image is made display in a different way, you can see. But the first one was looking great, so I'll just select the first one. Okay, now you can see post type, I'll just keep it as a recent post and also add a title as a recent post. You can also increase and decrease the number of posts you want to display over here. Just click on done here. And now I'll add another widget, and that is social share. Click on this one. I'll just give it as a social. Now here add the links. I'll just add the hash here just to show it. Okay, perfect. Now you can see we have these social icons also appearing. So now let's go back. Okay, now we have inserted all the widgets we want to have on the sidebar. We have the search one, the about one, the recent post, and also the social links. And now let's add something on the canvas sidebar. Click on add widget. I'll add the post again here, but now here the popular post, and also give it a title as a popular post. Okay, perfect. Now click on done. Now the post that is going to get more traffic, or you can say more hits on the website, is going to appear over here. When someone clicks on it, they will be able to see those posts that are being seen the most on the website. Now let's go back and add something at the footer. So we have the footer left, footer middle, and the footer right. I just click on footer left here. Now here I'll just add the text area, simply text area here. I just add it as about us. Okay, perfect. We have the about us section over here. The one thing more, you're seeing this space here. This is because we have turned on the footer logo option. I'll just turn it off. Just turn it off. Okay, now you can see it's up now. Let's go back to widgets here. Okay, now footer middle. Now in here I'll be just adding the links to the pages. Search for the navigation menu. You can also create another navigation for adding privacy policy, or you can say terms and conditions if you want to have on your website. I just select the main menu here and give it a title as a quick links. Perfect. Now let's go back again and click on the footer right. add widget here, and now I'm gonna be adding the tags, like the tags that are being used the most on our website. It's on tag cloud here. Actually we are not using any because we haven't used any tags. So once you're adding a post, if you are adding tags that are being used the most, they will start appearing over here. But for now I'm gonna be adding something else here. For example, I'm gonna be adding let's add the recent post without images. You can definitely add anything on your website. The more options you have for your visitor, the more it is going to get clicks and the more user will spend time on your website. So I think that's the great option to add multiple options on your website. Okay, perfect. Now we have our footer is also set up. Now let's go back again. Let's see if we have done everything. We have this canvas thing done, social links, search bar, the about, the send post, again social, and also a footer. Now we just click on publish and then cross icon over here. Okay, perfect. Now we have this beautiful banner on the top of the website. The posts are being displayed on the website. We have this sidebar, we have this navigation, our logo. So let's just visit. We have also beautiful footer over here. Let's visit any post here just to see how it looks like. Okay, now you can see this is our post. You can also add lots of other content types on your website. For example, the galleries, the list, the more titles on the post, just to make it more appealing and professional for your visitor. Now let's go back to the home page. So this is how you can create your WordPress blog. If you found any value from this video, please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. But if you need any help regarding this video, you can always leave a comment down below in the description and I'll try my best to answer each and every one. Thank you so much.